Good morning, traders. Today is March 5th, 2024. Thank you for being here. My SPY pivot this morning, 512.35. Above it, I'm a bull. Below it, I'm a bear. SPY, XLK, and SMH all made new all-time highs yesterday with higher highs and higher lows while closing above the bullish 3-8 trap and above the bullish 17 EMA. IWM made a new 2-year high with a higher high and a higher low while closing above the bullish trap and above the bullish 17 EMA. FNGU, QQQ, and Diamond Dow printed inside day candles, closing above the rising 17 EMA. Silver and gold, now both in uptrends, made nice igniting candles, making higher highs and higher lows while closing above the bullish trap and above the rising 17 EMA. USO, still in an uptrend, printed a lower high and a lower low, closing inside the bullish trap and over the rising 17. UNG, in an uptrend, closed above the bullish trap and over a flat 17 EMA. Just had a trend change. US dollar index still in an uptrend and still consolidating at the 3 moving averages on the daily chart. The 50, the 100, the 200, all around the 104 level. All right, let's go take a look at some charts. First chart, SPY. SPY, we had a new higher high yesterday. Okay, little pullback, so big topping tail, little topping tail candle, gapping down a little bit in the morning. We have a 2-day MMRP. We'll see how that plays out. Here is our igniting candle, pull back to support. First igniting candle. Second one might be red. It already made the higher high. All right, but we'll see what we need it to make the higher low now. It's already made a higher low here, but we need to see where it closes out today. And then we're looking for one more candle to make a higher high and a higher low, okay, on the SPY 2-day MMRP. Now, we had a bit of a birthday candle situation yesterday in the 10-minute chart. Okay, so we had an igniting move coming off of a base here. But as you can see in the pre and post market, the base did not hold. But you can see right here at the closing hour it did. So they may recover this and produce a move that's twice as high as this area right here. And we're looking at right off the base there. Let's just take it from here, double that. Everything kind of running a little slow here. Duplicate and stack it on top. So we stack this on top, drag this down a little bit, see where we come up. Puts us at a level of 515.44. So that could be a target today. We'll go ahead and mark that off. So 515.50, 515.44. That would be twice as high off of this base right through here. So we'll see what happens. All right. Right now they broke the pattern by trading below the the major support of this consolidation. So, but if they happen to recover that, there's a huge possibility they wind up making that move that goes twice as high. If it doesn't make it, if it does, it may make it tonight by closing hour, and it may get close by closing hour, and then kind of gap up in the morning, kind of fill the rest of that that move that's supposed to go up. We'll see what happens. So there's SPY. We've got a birthday candle move in addition to a 2-day MMRP in SPY. So we'll see. Looking for that 10-minute uptrend. Right now we're in a 10-minute downtrend, and where they're going to find support, you know, have a little bit of support right here, 510.34. We'll see what happens. How close they get there. Yeah, they're still meandering there right now. So let's take a look at QQQ. We'll go back to the daily chart. SPY definitely in an uptrend. You can see here closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17. QQQ had an inside day. All right, lower high, higher low, closing above the bullish trap, above the rising 17 EMA. FNGU, kind of the same thing, inside day, closing under the bullish, lower high, higher low, closing inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA on FNGU. Diamond Dow, kind of an inside day as well. Lower high, higher low, closing inside the trap. Okay, over the 17 EMA. So we'll see with that. SMH. Now SMH did great yesterday. Higher high, higher low. New all-time high for SMH. Closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Same with XLK. Here's XLK, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Now let's take a look at IWM. It's our Russell 2000. Yesterday made a new 2-year high right there. It's a new 2-year high for Russell 2000. And made a higher low and a higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. There's IWM. All right, let's take a look at some energy. All right, energy yesterday. Here's petroleum, crude oil. All right, so we got a lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap, but still a rising 17 EMA. UNG just changed trends here recently. All right, you can see here we breaking through the 17. Yesterday, higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish trap and over a flat 17 EMA on UNG. Silver and gold had big igniting candles yesterday. Kind of like follow through from Friday. So here we are with silver, higher low, higher high, gapping up over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Silver igniting off of this low, already producing a higher low and a higher high. Nice work for silver. Nice uptrend right there. Gold doing a bit of the same thing. All right. Igniting candle right off of this area right here. Right off of this base. Kind of got a base going on right through here. And you can see they break the top of that base. But here's yesterday's candle. Higher low, higher high. Definitely ballistic vertical. Closing over the bullish 3A trap and the rising 17. I've never seen gold 17 EMA pointed directly up. That is just crazy right there. Just inverted straight up. So both silver and gold bullish right now. So let's take a look at US dollar index. Here's our US dollar index. Yesterday's candle, you can see just kind of meandering here, kind of floating and consolidating the price action with the 3 moving averages. We got the gold 50, the blue 200, and the orange 100. So all 3 converging right here. Just consolidating at this time. Take a look at our economic calendar. The main event is Mr. Powell testifying, Chairman Powell, at 10 o'clock Wednesday and Thursday. So today we got PMI composite, 945, factory orders at 10, ISM index, services index at 10, and other than that, it's a quiet day. Tomorrow we got MBA applications, that's mortgage applications. Unemployment report at 8:15, ADP. JOLTS at 10. Powell speaks at 10. Petroleum report. Beige book at 2. And Mary Daly's going to speak at noon. Okay, so that's what's going on this week. Earnings calendar. And we'll take a look at, what's today? Today's the 5th. CrowdStrike's going to report after the close, $75 billion. Target, $71 billion. They're going to report after the close. Really not notables right there. The big notables are coming in. No notables that day. They're coming in Thursday. We've got Broadcom, ABGO. It's going to report $500 billion, over $500 billion, $655 billion. They're going to report Thursday evening, so that'd be after Mr. Powell's speech. Costco, $332 billion. They're going to also report. Petro Brazil looks like they got about $227 billion between the two of them right there. They're going to report. They're foreign entities, so we'll see when they're going to find their P&L and give us some numbers on that. Okay, for Friday, no notables. All right, so the main events are Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday with the earnings after the close, and that would be Broadcom. Wednesday we've got Wednesday we've got Mr. Powell speaking, and Thursday as well at 10 o'clock. Okay, so let's go take a look at our technicals before we take off here. So our technicals, you can see right here, yesterday's price action, lower high, lower low, but we hung out in the buy zone. That was very good. And we're still in this uptrend. You can see if we can extend this out. See how long we can stay up in this uptrend up here. So there's T2122, T2123. Gapped up, green, kind of flat all day, and then just kind of melted at the end of the last two candles there. T2123 3 bar, got a whole lot more space opening up here between our 17 EMA and the price action. FNGU kind of moved down and kind of just hung out right here, just consolidated for the most part on top of the rising 200 SMA. Then at the very end of the day, it decided to come down and crash through. So here's our second test, came crashing through. Here on FNGU, I hope that's the end of that. Hope they can recover that. We'll see what happens. All right, so I'm going to take questions in the room. And if not, I'm going to go ahead and render my video. Everybody out there in video land, I'll see you guys at 4 where we'll have the daily wrap-up. All right.